Greetings viewers, I'm Tom and these are Mixcder E9 PRO wireless headphones with active noise cancellation and some very bold claims. Let's have a look. While I am struggling to get through a very thin sheet of packaging plastic with my Rambo wannabe letter opener, let us go through some stats. The Mixcder E9 PRO supported profiles are HSP, HFP, A2DP, and AVRCP, in case you were wondering. The transmission distance is 10 meters or 33 feet, assuming there is not a lot of interference or frequency pollution. Impedance is marked at 32 ohms and sensitivity at 120 decibels, which is quite loud. It has a 500 mAh rechargeable lithium battery, which is capable of fast charging. The playtime varies between 35 hours with active noise cancellation turned off and 30 hours with active noise cancellation turned on. The wireless magic happens with the help of Bluetooth 5, armed with aptX technology, which offers low latency and high quality of sound. Now, if you are already impressed and would like to get your hands on one of these or have a more in-depth information about the Mixcder E9 PRO headphones, I will leave a couple of useful links in the description. But enough specs, let us now have a look at what comes in the box. The headphones, to my surprise, came with a decent case, which does not feel nor look cheap. The content of the case is as one would expect. The headphones, a single USB-A to micro USB charging cable, a single 3.5 jack cable male to male, in case you fancy using that instead of the wireless, an airline flight adapter, and the manual. The sides are covered in soft-to-touch plastic and feel well made. The soft parts on the top, as well as covering the left and right housings, feel like very thin leather. Not certain if they actually are. The Mixcder E9 PRO is, to no surprise, expandable to fit comfortably on almost any head size, as they are foldable. So, in a scenario where the provided case seems too large for whatever reason, one can fold it together and stash it in the luggage or even a handbag. Now to that bold claim on the box. In a duration of 1 week, at full charge, I went through 2 full audiobooks, both of which were around 12 hours long, give or take. And throughout both audiobooks, I had the active noise cancellation turned on. In the end, I used the headphones for a little over 24 hours of audio playback. When I checked the battery status on the phone after finishing the second audiobook, it had 9% battery left. Ladies and gentlemen, make your own conclusions. As for music, these headphones are bass rich. The highs and mids come through just fine, but if you like more bass in the sound, you will not be disappointed. You can also use these headphones for making calls, and here is the microphone test. And here's a sample of the built-in microphone recording quality. These headphones can be used not only for music and audiobooks, but also for making calls. To sum it all up, I think that Mixcder E9 PRO headphones are pretty decent, considering for the price point and the quality of the sound and, of course, the longevity of the battery. I think it's a lot of bang for the buck. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please do not shy away from clicking like and subscribing. Until next time, take care.